This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Pro XD midsize gas. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. In the front of the vehicle, you'll find the front grille, which can be removed to clean the front of the radiator. The vehicle hood can be opened by turning the 2 quarter-turn latches and sliding the hood forward. Underneath the hood, you will find the horn, pulse bar, coolant overflow bottle, the radiator cap, and the windshield reservoir, if equipped. Moving to the front suspension, you will find the shock assembly, tie rod, CV joints and axle, A-arm, sway bar, and ball joint. The brake fluid reservoir can be viewed through the left front wheel well. The headlight adjustments can also be found in both front wheel wells. Doors, if equipped, can be found on both sides of the vehicle. Underneath the seats is a storage compartment, battery, diagnostic plug, and the fuse panel. Once in the driver's seat, you will find the HVAC vents, upper storage tray, high beam and low beam headlight switch, lower storage, gauge assembly, mode and navigation buttons, steering wheel adjustment lever, ignition switch, and gear selector. On the center dash, you will see the upper cup holders, 12-volt charge port, the all-wheel drive switch, horn, windshield wiper switch, if equipped, HVAC heat controls, if equipped, and the lower cup holders. On the right side of the dash, you'll see the passenger grab handle, glove box, and the lower storage tray. The fuel cap is located on the driver's side of the vehicle. The air intake can also be found on the driver's side next to the fuel cap. The PVT intake can be found on the passenger side behind the mesh net. The cargo box tilt latch is located on the left side of the vehicle. Tilting the cargo box will give you access to the airbox, spark plug, oil cap, dipstick, and the oil filter. Moving to the rear suspension, you'll find the shock assembly, suspension adjustment, upper and lower A-arms, sway bar link, CV joints and axle, and the grease zerk on the sway bar mount. A grease zerk can also be found on the prop shaft under the clutch cover. In the rear of the vehicle, you will find the spark arrestor and the tow hitch. The tailgate can be lowered by releasing the rear cargo box latch. The VIN label is located on the passenger side front wheel well. The VIN is also stamped on the chassis in the driver's rear wheel well above the clutch cover. Read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.